Now we see about the rolling process. In many last video series, we see the many type of production processes. So in this production processes, the first one is the casting. That is very important process, and then one of the best example for the casting is the gravity die casting. It is a simple type of casting process and forging process, heat treatment process, quenching process, etching process. So lot of process will be seen in the last video series. But in this series, the rolling process. Rolling process is nothing but the same like as forging process. Uses two categories. One is the hot rolling process. Second one is the cold rolling process. So in this hot rolling process, the metal is heated above recrystallization temperature. In cold rolling process, the metal is heated below recrystallization temperature. Already I told what is recrystallization temperature. Recrystallization temperature is very important one. That is the interval between solid and liquid. At that stage is the recrystallization temperature. Okay. Next, so in this rolling process, majorly the workpiece thickness is the highly reduced. You see the many examples for the sheet metals. Sheet metal is highly applied in the larger applications in industry point of views. So in this sheet metal, so in this sheet metal is very important one. It's highly applied in the aero parts manufacturing also, the sheet metals. So in this sheet metal making process, the lot of strength will be needed. At the same time, the thickness, the size is the below 0.3 mm or 0.5 mm. So these are the important conditions in this sheet metal making process. Simply told that like sugar cane machines. So in this sugar cane machines, you put in the sugar cane, and so you filter the juice from this phase. So the two rollers is rotated. So at this two rollers is the one is the clockwise rotated and second one is the anti-clockwise rotated. So that is a major conditions. If it is two roller is same direction rotation, means definitely the process is not be done. So one roller is the rotated in the clockwise direction, and another roller is the rotated the anti-clockwise rotations. So the strength and high thickness materials is the insert the between the two rollers. So the metal, the length is highly increased. At the same time, the thickness is the highly reduced. Once again I repeat this word. One roller is the rotated clockwise directions, and the second roller is rotated anti-clockwise directions. So you directly put into the material in between the two rollers. So the metal length is highly increased, and the metal thickness is the highly reduced. So at the same time, in the metal is directly inserted in what stage, means the recrystallization stage. So recrystallization is very important. Already I told the recrystallization stage. It is a intermediate stage between the solid and liquids. So the material is highly produced by this rolling process. So after this rolling process, the materials is directly into the testing process. So before testing, measurement is very important. because it is measured by lot of measuring instruments. So in upcoming video series, we see the measurements, how to measure the casted product, or how to measure the is already finished product. Okay, thank you.